Hey Finn, are we gonna do some drywall today? Are we going to put a new floor in the bathroom? Are we gonna get a lot of stuff done? Doing some food? Woof. Good boy. Good boy. Nope. What did I do wrong? All right. Let's see. I gotta go like this. Yes. Woo. All right. Now we need to figure out what's. I think there's cement down here. We can put some thinset down and get these puppies loaded in. Woo!
Update. I did makeup today and I'm back home. We've been doing a lot of things. Have you been filming today?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been doing the floors in the bathroom, put down the layer of HardieBacker, which, oh my gosh, doing it alone because the pieces are so heavy and cutting them was a whole thing. And then went to mix the thinset and our drill died halfway through mixing the thinset, so I can only mix half the bucket, so it turned into a whole thing, and something that should have took me half a day took the entire day.
Yeah.
So now we're messing with the
living room again.
I just shampooed and conditioned my hair.
Oh my god, it doesn't matter. So we have decided, look how cute that is. What we're gonna do, since we bought this couch, is we're gonna use this. So what we're gonna do is pop off the end of that.
This has an end, but this doesn't have an end. So we'll just pop it off and screw it on.
It's the same size on each side. We already have pillows. Okay, cool. So let's see.
Yeah, that's so much better.
Look at that. Freaking cute. Yep. That's it. We'll move the jute rug over and then we'll have like a table here, a circular table, and then 2 chairs right here.
Yeah.
And then maybe we'll put this bench over there, under there. Let's do it.
We did it.
feeling like we should film a little bit of the reality of it. I just got like super angry and I take it out on Michael, and that's not fair. I'm like banging things around because I don't feel like I move fast enough and I'm not doing enough, and it's really frustrating.
I feel so overwhelmed because a project that I know could have taken like a day or two with help turned into like 4 days, four or 5 days.
And I worked yesterday, so you didn't have me here.
Yeah, that's fine. You had to work. What's that?
I don't know.
Yeah, last night we got a wild hair and decided to do this, which my parents are coming today and
Is that
to
why
help.
we're stressing out, maybe?
Well, I just wanted to have the bathroom done by the time they got here, and it's not. So, I need to stop talking about it and go do it.
But it's a process, and there's little things too that you don't think about. Like, you think someone's gonna end up doing them for you, and like you have to do it for you.
Yeah.
And in saying that, I'm talking about the bar. There's like a stencil wall we're thinking about doing, and I'm like, okay, when are we gonna do that? It's October 3rd, and we want to have this up by October 22nd. So I started looking on Etsy for creating our own stencils and stuff like that, because we have to be proactive, because those things will just fall through the cracks. So
Yeah.
trying to do that kind of stuff, and small things that we keep talking about doing that maybe aren't on that list.
Yeah, but like that list is like all the big stuff. But like yesterday I went through and changed all the light switches out and stuff like that, which it's not even on the list, but like
It needed to get done.
needed to get done because they were old light switches and they just like were painted over and everything.
They look like shit.
Yeah.
It's and I think we're overthinking a lot of it too. I was talking to my mom yesterday, and we used to stay in beach houses as a kid, and she was like, remember how shitty those were? But they were clean, and that's all that mattered. And I'm like, okay, so there are some quirks that I think we can let go and just let be that aren't bad, but you know, eventually I want to address. But as long as the house is nice and clean, and people feel the love, and when they come here, that's all that matters. So just trying to keep perspective.
So here we go.
I am tired. You're really tired.
Here we go. Let's do this.
Let's go.
When we bought the house, we have 5 acres, and on the back side of the acreage, we were walking and we found there was just a bench sitting there, like
Under a Joshua tree, so it's a cute moment.
It's a great moment, but we're not really going to be using that area right now. So we're going to go get the bench
And use it.
in the front of the house.
Yeah, this bird that likes the idea, I guess.
Yeah. Wow, big demolition day over here.
Big demo day.
Just so you guys know, she was like, I'm gonna need the big hammer. It's like coming out.
It's coming out pretty easy, actually. I was surprised.
So why are you doing this?
So we want to get rid of this little weird lip they did of the tiles, so that we could just go all the way back with tiles, which we may need to cut.
Those ones, that's fine.
These ones. But I'm gonna lay them out and see what they look like. But yeah, I'm pretty sure we need 6.
Cool.
3, 6, 9 actually. I think we need 9.
Damn girlfriend.
Woohoo! Demo day!
Riveting.
Riveting content.
Riveting. Just doing the seams. This is so your tile doesn't crack.
It is?
Yeah. So that if the floor shifts for some reason. I think I touched it.
Why? Are you supposed to put it underneath?
I think you're supposed to pre-fill it.
Oh, good job. Looks like you kind of already did it.
Well, I did get it down there, but you're supposed to go
First.
Yeah.
Got it.
We are working on the hammocks.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
You
And
got
I'm
it.
not like that heavy, so it's like cool, 108 pounds, like doing nothing. Smallest amount of sand. You did it! Looks so good, Boo.
Right?
Yay!
There we go.
All right.
Just trying to get those things crossed off the list. I might need to get a washer. And I might need to get rid of that nut on the front so I can go a little further in.
I think you have to have them both on.
No, it'll hold it. There we go. Oh, we need the other hammock. Okay.
I forget which way I pulled it out.
Okay. Go for it.
Is this one too low?
No. Like I said, we can always raise them. All right.
Coming to you live.
Install hammocks.
Boom.
Boom.
What else did we do?
Nothing.
Really?
No, we
Hall closet. We started to do the floor. We did the floor. Most of
we
it.
gotta grout it. It's not crossing off until it's all the way done.
All right. Bathroom. You repaired the walls.
Yeah, I did repair the walls. Yeah. We just need to paint. We need to sand the bathroom.
Is that on the list?
I'm gonna put it on so that we can.
Cross it off.
Yeah.
We got a lot of other stuff done today, so.
Yeah.
What's the other stuff that we got done? Fun times. She's solid. How does it feel? Yay.
It works.
Yeah. Okay, so this is my harvest. I think I need another bowl to put them in, but the little spikies come off really easy when you put some water on them. I think they're different than the ones on the cactus because it seems pretty easy to get them off. But you're supposed to just shake them. Obviously, there are way too many in here, so I'm gonna put a few in a bowl, like I just said, and then do them one batch at a time.
Are they off?
Yeah. They should be good.
Now we just need to look up how to...
Like, what do you eat them with? Like, how do you eat them?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
It's great.
Okay, it is October 1st and we are back at the house. I've got my Sanderson sweatshirt on because it's fitting. But while we were gone for 3 days. 3 days. I did a little Target run. I got some mirrors for the bar and one for the room because we have one we're going to repurpose already. So we didn't need 2 mirrors for the room, but I wanted 2 stand-up mirrors because it's so nice being in an Airbnb and having like a full-length mirror to be able to see your outfit. I mean, if you're gonna do a photo shoot, whatever it's gonna be at our house, you will have options mirror-wise. And I couldn't decide on what mirror for the bar. So let me know in the comments which one we should put up. But here is an inspiration pick. And then here's the mirrors we have to choose from. So today we are going to have the plumber come out. He's gonna fix some small things that Michael wasn't able to totally fix on his own. He did the majority of the plumbing by himself in the bathroom. But just to finish off the job, we hired someone to just make sure that everything is kosher before we seal up the walls and finish it off. And then I think tomorrow we are going to begin the process of tiling the bathroom. And we're gonna put up, we've got our curtain panels that just came in. This is a linen blend. I ended up going with that. Ordered them on Amazon. And I ordered our linen bedding on Amazon. It's a blend, it's like a linen and cotton blend. And I love it. It's so soft. We slept in it last night for the first time. Really cozy. And I totally recommend. So we're doing a little bit of Amazon and Home Goods and high-end stuff as well, so that we have a mixture, an antique. So it's a nice mixture of all the things. I mean, that pillow is really Home Goodsy, and it's not my favorite, but it ties in all the colors. So until I find a pillow that ties in all of our colors, it's staying. But there is a yellow Moroccan pillow that I may buy that I like a lot better. So I think I will actually buy that. Anyway, so that's the plan for today. We're gonna hang our basket light that we got from World Market. Michael is trying to figure out the wiring for that. I think I need to meditate because I spent 3 days with my family and I need to get recentered because all they listen to is the news, and it was a lot. So I'm gonna work on me this morning and then get started on, I think, putting these curtains up. Maybe have a cup of coffee. Who am I? Oh my God, I'm drinking coffee again. Michael and I cut coffee for like a long time. Him for almost 2 years and me for probably almost 6 months, which is pretty big for me as a coffee drinker since high school. So we're back on our BS. But after this house is up, we will not be drinking coffee anymore. I guarantee it. Okay, back to it.
Okay, so the plumbers just left. A-OK, is it A-OK? Oh, AO Pro Plumbing from 29 Palms just came and blessed them because finding a plumber right now has been such a task because I guess there's so little workers and a lot of work to do in the area. So what they did was they essentially just cut that entire piece off and capped it. Thank goodness for them because I couldn't have done it myself. Now we are good to go. Nobody will turn the knob and potentially flood our house. Woo! And we can cover this up. We can do the bathroom floors now. And we can get this. Oh, I need to sand the walls too. So, yeah.
That's next steps. Also, let's update since I updated it actually this morning.
We did this, right? We talked about this. We still need to grout it.
Yep, okay. And then Michael's putting up his light. It's gonna look real cute.
4th light, right?
4th time's the charm, baby.
Yep.
And then I'm staining the dining room table that was here. And we also got our linen cotton blend.
Those look so good.
They look so good. I'm so glad because the last ones we had were way too sheer. And now they have these like this. What would you call this? Like, oh my gosh! When I watch this back, I'm probably gonna know exactly what they're called, and it's gonna bother me.
Doohickeys?
These loops. So
hoops.
it makes it look a little bit more modern, more young.
It makes it look kind of dreamy in the camera.
And dreamy and fresh.
Yeah.
So look at how long these are. I love the long, like, you know,
yeah,
not tailored kind of look. Maybe
Yeah.
I'll steam it. Actually.
And she's gonna stain the table outside.
Yep.
So we are moving today.
Making moves.
Making
baby.
moves.
All right.
All right. Well, now let's finish the moves.
Looks so good.
So yeah, we'll just put a bolt more round light in there.
Yeah.
I think it'll be cool, but the electrician is now turning into the bathroom fixer-upper guy.
Yep. Clocking out.
Clocking out.